జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ. అరణ్యకాండ. ఓ రావణ, I know if anyone is getting close to death, they would not listen to any good words, and they will behave just like you, and they will not even able to understand what is right, what is wrong. Oh Ravana, you are also doing the same. Ravana, very soon you are going to be seeing Vaitarani, which is the river filled up with blood, which is on the way to Yamalokam. Very soon you are going to see that. Ravana, what did you imagine about? What are you thinking about, my Rama? నిమేషాంతరమాత్రేణ వినా భ్రాత్రా మహావనే. మై రామ, జస్ట్ బై హిమ్సెల్ఫ్, without taking help from his brother Lakshmana also, he has in that dreadful forest killed all 14,000 demons when they attacked at once, and Rama killed all of them in no time. Oh Ravana, that is the strength of my Rama. I am telling you, Ravana, it is not too late. Come on, leave me. If you don't do that, you are going to be totally destroyed, and it will be very hard for you to take that kind of pain. Like this, Sitamma again reminding Ravana about Rama's strength. Even though Sitamma is crying a lot, Vilapapurvam Karunancha Bhaminim, even though everyone, whoever looks at Sitamma feels so pity, but Ravanasura did not feel any sort of pity and continuously taking Sitamma away. Then Sitamma is looking at the earth, thinking that, hoping that somebody would protect her. But Sitamma has not seen anyone on the earth. After going for a distance, then Sitamma noticed Dadarsa Girishrungasthan Panchavanara Pungavan. On a hill, Sitamma has seen 5 Vanaras, 5 monkeys. Sitamma immediately Uttariyam Vararoha Subhani Abharanani cha. Sitamma has taken some of her ornaments and tied with her a part of small piece of her saree and threw it on that hill where those 5 Vanaras are there. Ravanasura did not notice that because Ravanasura was in a hurry. Ravanasura also has a fear, thinking that may Rama see this and may Rama chase me. Like that thinking, and did not notice anything, Ravana started heading towards Lankanagaram. Now on that hill, those Vanaras have seen up and saw Sitamma crying. They have seen that. Now Ravanasura, having Sitamma, he is crossing Sacha Pampam Atikramya Lankam Abhimukha Purim. He crossed Pampasaras and then he is heading towards Lankanagaram. How is that scene? Ravanasura holding Sitamma. How is Sitamma? If it is a big serpent having so much of poison, if someone is holding that kind of serpent, how it looks, so also Ravanasura holding Sitamma looking like that. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasharatha Rama, Rama Rama Dasharatha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, हे हे सीतारामा। Jai Srimanarayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Srimanarayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become his most beloved devotees and then he will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least 1 Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.